Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your host Mary Johnson Amy. Just look at this meat pie, amazing meat pie, so yummy. It is welcoming, inviting. If you would love to know how I made this awesome and great meat pie, you stay to the end of this video. Meanwhile, I would like to quickly add that this is a recipe that is made in your regular pots. Yes, so if you don't have an oven, or even if you have an oven and you decide to do something different from the usual, this is that very video you have to watch. Hello lovely people, welcome back. So this is the ingredient we'll be using for this meat pie, and as you all know, one special part of this meat pie is that it shouldn't be made in the oven. Rather, you can make it in your stove, in your gas cooker, so it is a plus. Yeah, right here I have my meat, my beef, my pepper, baking powder, onion, my Irish potato, my egg, my seasoning cube, my flour, my milk, my salt to taste, and my carrots. Okay, so you're going to start first to prepare all of the filling. So we're going to start first of all to prepare the filling of the dough. Okay, yeah, so let's get started. At the end of this video, if you find it helpful and interesting, you please like it and also share it to your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all, so let's get started. So all of these are ready. Let's get started. I have my oil already, so I'll transfer the onion. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook. I won't add any water. Just cook it on low medium. Some people can add water. You can add water if you want, but I don't want to add water to it. So I will stir continually because I don't want to add water. Okay, so stir, cover, stir. So it is time to make the dough. Baking powder, salt. I'm going to add my butter at this point. I forgot to to include the butter when I was showing you all of the ingredients, so of course we need butter. So this is my butter and I'm going to mix it together. My hands are clean. I'm going to make a hole here and add my 2 eggs. and then I'll be adding my milk. Okay, I'll be adding more milk. I wouldn't be using water, okay? I'll just use milk. But you can use water, it's optional, but I'm using milk. So I'll transfer it to a surface and continue the knitting. Some flour. The consistency is super. I'll have to cover it and keep it in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. So this is it after 15 minutes. So I have some flour ready. So I'll cut it a bit, roll and fill in. So you can use whatever you want to cut it off. I'll be using this to cut it off with my knife. And fold. With my fork, yeah, so so this is the end result. Okay, yeah. Meanwhile, my pot, and I added some salt. Okay, I'll allow it to steam and thereafter add this. So this is a cover of a pot. I will place it inside and fix my pies, my meat pies on them. A design, small opening. So here I have my egg. So I'll cover. So this is an order. Yeah, I don't mind. My pot is small, so just this looks beautiful. So this is the final result. Wow, it looks so beautiful, yummy, amazing. Just give it all of those beautiful and awesome names. Look at that. Wow, this looks so great. Yes, so you can make your meat pie with your pot. So there is no limitation of any kind. You can make it with your pot and still achieve an amazing result. This looks awesome and it tastes great. So you try it out, make it for your family, for your loved ones, and also for yourself, because you are so amazing and you deserve such an amazing delicacy. Thank you all so much for staying with me to the end of this video. You please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You share this video to your friends and families. I love you all till I come your way next time. I remain your precious and lovely Mary Johnson. Amen.